Sugarloaf Key West KOA holiday is full. Look, they got pontoon boats. I wonder if they rent them. Okay, now we're coming up. We're on Sugarloaf Key. There's actually not much riding here. It's always a pleasure when you got somebody stopped on the bike path, because you don't usually want to run in front of them. Oh boy, we get across early. Keep your eyes on your rear view. It's not a very good path here. It's kind of narrow. The good news is there's not really any sights to see, so people can basically pay attention to their driving. And the other good news is it's not that far. Definitely not a big fan of riding on this highway. Mostly full of tourists all the time. Because at this time of the day, most people would be at work, not driving down US 1. Okay, Crane Boulevard is a good bike ride. There's not much traffic back here. There's good bike paths. There's a little preserve. No remote learning here. Everybody's at school. So we're on Crane Boulevard heading north, and up here at the end of Crane Boulevard there's a preserve. It's actually kind of a cool preserve. I've seen raccoons and stuff up here, but that's about it. I might have seen a key deer once. Do not feed, touch, or disturb wildlife. Feeding kills deer for several reasons. Number one, it gets them to not be scared of cars. That's a cool subdivision there, that Indian Mountain Estates. And then, if you feed them corn, it just kills them automatically because they can't digest it. So don't feed key deer, period. They get enough food by garbage picking anyway. Florida Keys Media. Okay, we're going to check our distance. Seven miles. I guess we're still on Crane Boulevard, even though it don't have a sign. Okay, we're still going on Crane Boulevard because I can see it on my map. Why in the heck did my camera flip down? Okay, we flipped it back up. Must have hit a bump when I wasn't looking. We got the GoPro Hero 7 set on 2.7K, 30 frames per second, linear view. I can see there's some hikers up here. See, we got a dog up here. Was kind of thinking dogs weren't allowed in here, but I may be wrong. Grill is open. I don't know, it don't really say. I guess you gotta check the rules. Upper Sugarloaf Trail. Wow, water.
They don't say nothing anyway.
That off to the left, a bench. No, we've only gone 8 miles.